Most people panic when Alexa suddenly stops working. They think the device is broken or outdated. But here's the truth, no one tells you. In most cases, Alexa issues are caused by simple connection or settings problems that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, you'll learn how to fix Amazon Alexa not working in 2026 step by step. We'll go through Wi-Fi issues, app errors, device glitches, and voice recognition problems so your Alexa starts responding normally again. Let's start with the most common issue. Wi-Fi connection, DE. If Alexa is not responding or keeps going silent, the first thing to check is your internet. Say something like, "Alexa, are you connected?" If nothing happens, open your Alexa app. Jake once thought his Echo was dead, but it was just disconnected from Wi-Fi after a router reset. Reconnecting fixed it instantly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if Wi-Fi looks fine, the signal might be weak. Move your device closer to the router or restart your modem. This alone solves a large number of issues. Next, check the Alexa app. Open it, and make sure your device shows as online. If it says offline, remove the device and add it again. This refreshes the connection and clears hidden bugs. But here's the problem many users miss. App permissions. If your phone has disabled microphone or network permissions for the Alexa app, voice commands will fail even if everything else is fine. Go to Settings, find the Alexa app, and enable all necessary permissions. Now let's fix voice recognition issues. If Alexa is hearing you but responding incorrectly, the microphone might be blocked or dirty. Clean the device gently, and make sure nothing is covering it. Also try saying the wake word clearly, like Alexa, without background noise. Another quick fix is restarting the device. Unplug your Echo. Wait 10 seconds and plug it back in. John did this after his device froze during setup, and it came back working normally. If nothing works, update the device software from the Alexa app. Outdated firmware can cause response delays or failures. Now let's talk about routines and smart commands. Sometimes Alexa seems broken when actually a routine is misconfigured. Check your routine section in the app, and disable anything that might interfere. To wrap it up, Alexa not working is usually caused by Wi-Fi issues, app glitches, permissions, or simple device errors. Once you fix these, your device usually comes back to normal instantly. If this helped you fix your Alexa, leave a comment saying what issue you faced, and subscribe for more simple tech fix guides like this.